Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Plate Keepers. Are you tired of dealing with cluttered kitchen cabinets and struggling to find the right plates for your meals? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with practical solutions and creative ideas for organizing and displaying your plates using the versatile plate keeping rack. On the Plate Keepers, we offer a wide range of informative and entertaining content that will revolutionize the way you store and present your plates. Our goal is to help you maximize your kitchen space while adding a touch of elegance to your dining experience. Here's what you can expect from our channel. Number 1, product reviews. We will provide comprehensive and unbiased reviews of various plate keeping racks available on the market. We will discuss their features, functionality, durability, and design options, helping you make informed decisions before purchasing. Number 2, organizational tips. We will share ingenious tips and hacks to optimize your plate storage using the plate keeping rack. From stacking techniques to storage strategies, we will guide you in creating an efficient system that saves time and minimizes the risk of plate breakage. Number 3, die projects. Get ready to unleash your creativity. We will inspire you with do-it-yourself project to customize and personalize your plate keeping rack. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse style or a sleek modern look, we will provide step-by-step tutorials and design ideas to match your taste. Number 4, showcasing collections. Discover the beauty of plate collections. We will feature impressive and unique plate collections from around the world. From antique China to contemporary designs, you will get inspired by the different styles and themes people incorporate into their plate displays. I hope you like my videos. Thanks for watching my video.